Package length, 4.826 cm. Package width, 18.542 cm. Package height, 22.098 cm. Product type, sporting goods. The XStand single-person blind kit is specially made to fit on XStand General, Duke, Onyx, and Lookout ladder stands. The kit is designed with a zipper entry door for easy access and is printed in DZX camo for extra concealment. Kit is water-resistant to help keep you protected from the elements. Top reviews from the United States. 5-man stand very easily provides great coverage. Very versatile. When on my field stream, 1.5-man stand very easily provides great coverage.